Guys, I am back. It has been almost 1 year since I uploaded my last video. And I saw a lot of comments going through my YouTube channel. Hello MK, hope you are good. Been a while, boss. Please make a video marketing. Hey man, did you stop the KDP stuff? And I'm really sorry that I haven't published a single video over 1 year. But I can calm you down, guys. I'm still publishing books with Amazon KDP and I'm still earning good money. But there were a lot of things going through this year. If you maybe know, I have a German YouTube channel with a similar content, and my main focus was to publish videos about the German Amazon KDP content, and I achieved a big goal from myself. I monetized my German YouTube channel, and right now, currently on December, I'm making roundabout over 150 euros per month with this YouTube channel. I have a big coaching business now. I published an Amazon advertising course for the German audience. I have a brand new TikTok channel. I have so much things that were going on in this year. And as I mentioned, I'm still publishing books on Amazon KDP because in my opinion, Amazon KDP is the best business model out there because it could be run extremely passive. 10-20 hours per week or per month are completely enough to build and grow a successful Amazon KDP business. What happened, especially focused on Amazon KDP in the last year, I published a few more books, and as you can see, I was able until today, until the 6th of December, to earn over 45,000 euros with my books on Amazon, especially on the German marketplace. And if you have a closer look over my whole lifetime cycle, so I'm running Amazon KDP professionally over 2 years now. So let's have a look on the last 2 years. And I had a big milestone hitting those 100,000 euros in pure royalties. And as you can see, when I'm talking about a 2-year period, I'm meaning especially the timeline from the beginning of 2023 until now, the end of 2024, and over 109,000 euros in royalties is a really big milestone from my side. I hope that your Amazon KDP publishing business is still progressing, is still working. If you have any questions or any topics, hey, MK, please do a video about KI and creating coloring books or whatever, just write a comment in the comment section down below. I'm happy to be back. I hope you are doing well. And if you like the comeback, put a thumbs up on this video and hit the subscribe button because it's completely for free and help the channel to get bigger and bigger. And then there is nothing more about to say. See you in the next video.